Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I just want to take you through my analysis of US stocks going ex-dividend next week, 21st of September through to the 25th of September. So these are 5 stocks that have made the grade in terms of dividend yield. So we've got the dividend yield here. I've left Medtronic in, it's not quite making the grade. My criteria for dividend yield is 3 to 8%, but these 4 stocks are certainly in the right ballpark. So we've got AVGO Broadcom Inc, Seagate Technology PLC, Phillip Morris International, Medtronic and Sempra Energy. So these are all available on the Revolut app. So let's just go through each one individually. So AVGO is a computer and technology company. I'm pretty interested in this stock actually. I believe it's a major supplier to Apple, and it's just signed a major contract with Apple for the next 2 or 3 years. They're a good dividend payer. They're due to pay $3.25 on the 30th of September. They're going ex-dividend next Monday, so I'm considering a trade in this company. I haven't quite made my mind up yet, but I am interested. The company has a beta value of 0.93. Now this is a measure of volatility, so the index which the stock trades on has a volatility of 1 as a benchmark. This stock is currently trading at 0.93, which pretty much means it's 7% less volatile than the market. So that just gives a guide as to the price volatility. As I said, it makes the grade in terms of dividend yield, which is 3.54%. Quick ratio suggests that the balance sheet is strong. The only downside for me on this stock is the price earnings ratio, which is well above the market level. That concerns me in terms of the stock valuation. You can see the stock isn't cheap. That said, there is upside in terms of analyst consensus on market beats, so there's an upside of 6.1%. Profit margins 10.7. I would like to see those a little bit higher as well. So I'm a little bit in two minds as to whether to invest in this company. If I was cash rich and had cash available, I think I would at least dip my toe into the stock. But as it is, I'm probably going to have to rearrange and reorganize my portfolio to free up cash if I wanted to get into this space. So as I say, I'm still debating in my mind whether that's something I want to try and do today. But overall, I am interested in that stock. Seagate Technology is another computer and tech company which I believe supplies hard drive type equipment. 65 cents in terms of dividends to be paid on the 7th of October, ex-dividend next Tuesday. Again, analysts believe there's upside in the price, which is good. Dividend yield very healthy at 5.34. Quick ratio is good. P ratio is around the market levels or better. So that suggests that the stock is cheaper than the market norm. Margins a little on the low side again. So again, I mean, if I was cash rich in reserves, I'd probably be interested in this company. Phillip Morris is a consumer staples company. It supplies cigarettes. I believe it owns the Marlboro brand. For that reason, I'm not going to invest in a company like Phillip Morris, but we'll run through the figures anyway, because again, it could be interesting. They're going to pay a dividend of $1.2 on the 13th of October, ex-dividend next week on the 23rd. Again, analysts saying strong upside on price potentially. Dividend yield just under 6%. I would be concerned about the strength of the balance sheet. The P ratio is good, beneath market levels. Again, margins are a little bit tight. I like to see double-digit margins, but ethically I'm not going to invest. I'm already invested in Altria, which is a competitor to Phillip Morris. I'm not going to enter another cigarette manufacturer. Medtronic is a medical supply company which will pay a dividend of 58 on the 16th of October, ex-dividend on the 24th. Again, strong upside on price. Dividend yield doesn't really make the grade, which is why I'm not going to invest. Quick ratio is strong, P ratio is above market levels, margins are healthy. If that dividend yield was a little bit healthier and the P ratio was a little bit lower, I'd probably be interested in investing in this company. Finally, Sempra Energy. I've already got a number of stocks in utilities, so I'm not interested in adding more to my portfolio. If anything, I'm looking to reduce my exposure to the utilities segment. But they are going to pay a dividend of 1.05. Again, excellent upside in terms of analysts' predictions on prices. Dividend yield's healthy, almost 3.5%. A little concerned over the balance sheet, although it's above 0.75. I've got it amber. The way I look at it is anything over 1 is green, anything over 0.75 is amber, anything below 0.75 is red. So a little concern over the balance sheet, but the P ratio is strong versus the market, suggesting the stock is cheap, and the margins are very, very impressive at 38.5%. So that's a rundown. As I say, I'm considering potentially freeing up some cash to potentially invest a little bit of money in AVGO, but that's just my opinion. I still haven't made my decision, but I am going to continue to have a look today and just see how the market's reacting. So I hope that's been useful. If you've got any questions, please comment down below. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and I'd love it if you could subscribe. In the meantime, have a great day, have a great weekend, and speak to you again soon.